7.
70 yarn. Simon says, hindi ka mahal.
Simon says, di ka putuli.
Simon
Gagawin
says,
namin yung trend na ulit yun, yung ano, how much. So, wala kami maano, so,
ito na lang, papahabaan. No hands ako. Then,
ulit.
kami, sino mauna?
Again.
Ladies first.
Ladies first, ladies first eh.
Barbie ako. Wait lang. May
Again.
2 chance kami, guys. May 2 chance.
Okay.
Good yan.
Weave.
So, may 2 chance kami. So, kailangan namin gawin.
Again. The boys at the backlog.
Boy, girls tip kayo dyan.
Di naman sila girls team eh. Cringe ang girls eh. Ha? Ginagawa mo sa akin, no? Di tayo best friend, no?
Joke lang.
Alright. Tapos ang galing na yung score pa. I'm lock-in, boys.
Pwede,
Boys and girls, I'm lock-in. I mean, boys at the back were lock-in. I'm so
anong
lock-in.
boys in the box? Akin naman ng cellphone yan eh.
Joke lang. Galit taga. Okay na!
Barbie ako.
Oh.
Bye guys.
Yun.
3rd chance ka.
Yes, okay. At least 5 score.
Sa karong-arong arenga.
Yun.
Bungi pa oh. Sa karong-arong arenga.
Okay, tayo again. Okay.
Please charge.
Ano? Please ka na charge. Please ka na charge.
Puing. Power off. Please charge.
Puing.
Please charge. Power off.
Puing.
45 please. On in my hand, nothing beats a chance to hold it. And right now, you can see 50 pounds, papashes. That's a karo of I'm going to naman, hindi ko alam.
What the? I'm crazy.
I'm crazy. Try ko siya gantuhin na. Tingnan natin. Kasi na-challenge na to. Kapag umabot na siya sa 30, ganito na yung challenge siya.
50 points. Oh, 52! Okay lang.
Okay na din.
Tama na, isang 1 ta.
Babay na guys. Hindi ka mahal.
Last one.
Ako dapat yan eh.
6, 7.
Ako dapat yan eh.
Sorry.